my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah. So
what's good, y'all? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back. I'm gonna show you how to take out your braid out or twist out in a safe and effective way. I'm using sweet almond oil to moisturize my ends, and this is one of the best ways to retain length and making sure your hair is nice, shiny, and healthy. The most important thing to remember when taking down your braids or twists is to be gentle. Being gentle maximizes curl definition and avoids frizzing and tangles. Grab the braid from the middle and pull apart slowly. If you braided it neatly enough, it will start to pull apart on its own. But you're grabbing the overlapping strands on the sides and simply just pulling them apart. You're not running your finger through the entire braid. So now I'm taking some more oil and applying it to my hair to make sure that the ends are nice and hydrated all around. And then I'm going to take my fingertips and give myself a light scalp massage to ensure that my scalp is also moisturized. Doing this also increases blood flow and circulation, allowing for faster hair growth and scalp care. So finally, I'm just gonna massage the roots just so that the parting spaces blend in and you don't see any of those big gaps between the braid out. But that is the end of this look. I'm just gonna do my edges really quickly, nothing too crazy. I don't have my edge brush to do any swoops. But that is the end of this look. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.